Where the hell were you?
As soon as I walked in the church, the crew recognized me. Followed me straight back out.
Where are we now?
Da haben
Same
wir's.
place as all these guys.
Wirklich alles allein müssen
We
machen.
gotta go.
Yo, 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 yo. Aha.
Der Pfaff? Nein, ich habe nichts, der Pfaff. Das ist nicht der Pfaff. Haben wir noch Moon? Keine Moon mehr. Ja, wir brauchen keine Moon. Oh, die Cops natürlich jetzt.
Go grab some first aid.
Form a perimeter around the church, boys. Don't let him out.
Jo!
In the hearse, let's go.
Jo!
It's got wheels, don't it? We can run, find another, sure. But we
Er
got
steht halt einfach zurück. Aber sie schiessen auf mich. Brosies. Kann ich da noch so ein Sieg? Nur verbannen. Hey, wenn sie einfach so zu laufen kommen, das ist schon am schwierigsten. Warum? Dann musst du so aus der Deckung und dann bist du wieder abgelenkt. Schön. Jo. Der ist aber gewesen, das ist gut. Das meine ich! Wichser, Mann, so seitwärts. Das ist schon schwierig. Damn! Erhol dich. Eins nach dem anderen. Oh, das ist keine gute Deko. Jo. Ja, ist halt schwierig, ja. Wir brauchen Geduld. Ah, kann ich aus der... Ah, okay.
All cars, all up.
Okay.
Help needed.
Also, entkommen, ja? Also ich könnte jetzt einfach das Auto nehmen, oder wie ist das? Wie ist da die Meinung? Kommen immer mehr. Oder? Ich nehme einfach das Auto, ich könnte den Leichenwagen nehmen. Das ist glaube ich nicht mehr so fit. Komm, ich nehme jetzt einfach das Auto und verpiss mich. Leider. Ich will kein Handy nehmen. Knall den ab, dann gehen wir.
They keep coming.
Wir nehmen den hier. Schnell!
He's in a car. Apprehend as soon as you can.
Ich kann nicht mal mich überfahren, Mann. Steigt das so hin. Diam.
Where the hell were you?
As soon as I walked in the church, the crew
Diam, ja.
recognized me.
Es ist halt verdammt geil jetzt mit so wenig Health. Oh,
Where are they now?
da hat's noch
Same
etwas.
place as all these guys.
Oh, da hat's noch etwas. Ja, zum Glück bin ich gestorben, Chat. Zum Glück sind wir gestorben. Komm, ich nehme ihn jetzt einfach den Karren. Komm! Digi, Mann! Weg! Oh shit! Ja.
Turned out like I expected.
Whatever you did at the cat house got the cops plenty pissed.
Yeah, it was
Ja,
messy.
was ist ja schneller mit dem gleichen Auto?
Everything.
Yeah. Everything.
Können wir dann den Karren wechseln? Jetzt nehmen wir den.
He's not in a vehicle.
They giving up yet?
Don't think so.
They must have called out every cop in the city.
Oh shit! No, wo kommen die jetzt her, Mann? wollte den nie.
He's in a car. Apprehend as soon as you
Come on,
Jetzt du. Ja, ich hätte ein schnelleres Auto wollen, aber das ist keine gescheite Idee. Also einfach so schnell das machen geht irgendwie nicht, glaube ich. Warum ich muss dann eben noch kurz schliessen.
we gotta go.
form a perimeter around the church, boys. Don't let him out.
Wow.
Let's go.
Was ist jetzt sogar passiert?
Just got wheels, don't it? Show yourself. Find another shirt. We got cops everywhere.
Ich muss den rechts mit mir wegen, oder sonst nehme ich halt den gleich. Okay. Dann ich nehme den gleich.
Wide on. Gotcha. Keep coming.
Steig ein, Mann!
Suspect and accomplice escaping in a hearse. I repeat, a hearse.
Aber der geht aber noch. Der hat aber noch... Der hat noch Dampf.
Today didn't turn out like I expected.
Just drive. We'll end up in the back.
Look, das ist sogar wie so ein bisschen gescriptet für das. Or we'll end up in the back. Okay, ist
Whatever
doch
you
nicht so
did at the
schnell.
cat house got the cops plenty pissed.
Yeah, it was messy, but I got
Ja,
everything.
schau da, der hellblaue, der weiß.
Yeah. Everything.
Cars reported him in North Park.
They giving up yet?
Don't think so.
They must have called out every cop in the city.
Viele Richtungswechsel, ja.
Lose
Ist
'em.
richtig.
I'm trying.
Immer Line of Sight brechen. Jo. Aha. Jetzt mache ich eine Kurve und dann macht es Patz und ich bin tot. Kommt der jetzt gerade?
Suspect and accomplice escaping in a hearse. I repeat, a hearse.
Oh, ich habe sie abgehängt. Jetzt die Karre wechseln.
Roadblock is in position, can confirm.
Toll, ja.
Yeah, he's been seen. Go get him, boys.
Go get 'em, boys. Da, der gelbe geil.
Yeah, the suspect's been lost downtown. We'll find him.
Nichts, Mann. Nein, sie kommen.
Found him on foot.
Damn, jetzt habe ich wieder die Karre wechseln. Jetzt genau, dann können sie hinter mir, natürlich.
We've got a roadblock set up. Should slow him down. Cars reported him in North Park.
Hey, mein Karre ist am Arsch, gell?
He's not in a vehicle. Move in now.
Get an angle on him.
Ui.
He's downtown now. Stay on him,
Hat's
boys.
da gerade irgendein Schönes?
Yeah, the suspect's been lost downtown. We'll find him. He's in a car. Apprehend as soon as you can.
Das bin nicht ich.
All officers, roadblock is in position.
Oh, shit, dude. Tschüss!
The guy's gotten away in North Park someplace. Keep looking. He'll turn up. All officers, search is called off. Repeat, abandoned
Let's
search.
go.
Okay.
Under patrol.
We lost him.
Abgehängt die Noten.
Thank Christ.
Gonna be trying to forget today for a long time.
You're telling me.
Let's get back to the bar. We gotta lie low.
The way this all went down, we gotta lie low for weeks.
The priest will keep his trap shut, don't worry. Morello got a bloody nose, and you and Polly are in the clear for whacking Galati's son. Boss will be pleased.
Nimmt ein Wunder, wie das mit den Autos funktioniert. Ich meine, habe ich das nachher jetzt in der Garage, das da? Hätte ich sonst den Leichenwagen gehabt? Das spielt eigentlich nicht so einen Ruckel, aber ich will halt einfach irgendein gutes, schnelles Auto haben. Ja. Ich muss ja nicht alle haben.
Thanks again, Sam, for helping me out back there. I thought my time was up.
It's not anything you wouldn't do for me.
I know, but when you come that close to biting it, Christ, it's something.
Don't need to tell me about that.
Car
Just don't
collector.
think about it. Best lesson I could ever teach you.
Hey,
Don't think
musst es nicht
about
übertreiben, gell? Trophy, der hagelt's Trophys in dem Game, hey. Kapitel abgeschlossen. Bei uns hast du noch Emotes platzfrei. Wie wäre eine Trophäen-Emote mit Hund?
You confessed
Mit
to a
Hund? Wieso
shootout
mit
at
Hund?
church.
And I ain't even to the hard stuff yet.
You know I could take you in
It's
right
a fair
now, put you
emote.
behind bars till you're old and grey.
Maybe, if you think you can make any of it stick. But then you'd never know about Morello.
Hey, fellas, sorry to keep you waiting. My shift just started. What you having?
2 lunch fast, please. And more coffee. You know what? Let's bring the whole pot. All right, we've come this far together. What kind of heat did you get from the church?
It's a strange thing. Nothing really came of it all. Always figured Salieri paid off someone somewhere because it wasn't even in the papers. We just had to lay low for 7, 8 months. The cops kept showing up at the bar just to remind us they were watching. And Frank caught wind that Morello was helping Galati get reelected, hoping he'd go after the Don.
Well, I recovered some account books from Morello's offices. 33 was a pretty good year for him.
Bastard knew we were bleeding out before we did. While we were busy keeping our heads down, he started moving in on our rackets. Quiet at first, a few trucks go missing. Top burner has one too many highballs, drives off a bridge. One of our regular pickups suddenly closes up shop, moves upstate.
And he didn't catch on.
Not me. I think maybe Polly smelled something. But even with the cops looking over our shoulders and Morello circling, we were still making good money. And with the Don worried about keeping the heat off, we didn't have much to do. Except drink, have a few laughs. Every time I went into Salieri's, there was Sarah. So it was a good year. Until Frank.
Coletti, Don's consigliere.
Yeah, that's right. He set me straight. He set us all straight.
There's a lot of buzz around town about you guys.
Yeah, we got into a little scrap last night. It's no big deal.
Consiglieri,
I don't
die
care
sind
about the
immer
bar
gleich
fight.
gut.
I care how it looks when you walk into a club and buy everyone around.
We gotta do something with our dough.
Geld aus. Hey, ich muss schnell die Hände waschen. Ich hoffe. Weißt du, was ist jetzt passiert? Jetzt habe ich den Controller in die Hand genommen und ich habe den Scuff. Das heisst, da unten hat es Pedals und ich habe ihn so fest in die Hand genommen. Da habe ich da unten gerade gedrückt und das da unten ist das X, ja? Und dann habe ich überspringend gedrückt. So. Oh my days! Dann habe ich schon wieder eine Sequenz übersprungen. So, Futz.
Back then, everything went through Frank. The plans, the orders, the money. You could get...
Ist es da? Nein, ich bin doch vorher mit dem Frank im Auto gehockt. Das hat sie übersprungen jetzt, verdammte
the call
Scheiße.
day or night.
Ah, Tommy. Frank says to wait for him in the garage out in the back. Eh? You got the job, I think.
Thanks, Luigi.
Hey, Mary.
Sarah's cooking. She's bringing something over.
Vorsichtig sein
This
hier.
rain? She's a good girl.
I'll see you tomorrow, Luigi.
Sarah.
Sure.
Na, la du.
Back in the day, when the boss was still with Pepone, we got called out to a hit. Some
Pepone.
politician on the take. And his storm's just raging. And we're driving out to the burbs to cap this guy. And street lights weren't so good, so we're driving in the dark. We get to the house, and we're about to make our move. And then there's this lightning flash. And for a split second, in the front yard, I see this head, just sitting there, staring, cut off at the neck.
Nah, this ain't true.
Some other crew had already been out to the house that night. Guess the guy had more than his share of enemies. They never found the body.
Bullshit.
God's truth. Hey, Tommy. You good?
Yeah. Wet, but good.
Erst meine rauchen. Brought wieder weg.
Thanks for waiting, Tom. The Don and I had to go over last month's numbers again.
Sure. So what's the job?
I want you to help Sam and Paulie with the shipment we've got coming in tonight.
The good stuff?
Straight from Canada.
Oh,
Where do you need
jetzt.
me?
Sam's going to meet our friends from the north at the farm outside of town. Paulie will oversee the truck
Das ist die
bringing the shipment into
Schmuggelmission.
the city. But I want you to go with him. Be an extra pair of eyes. Make sure it all goes smoothly.
Okay.
Smoothly.
Get the car from Ralphie and meet Paulie at the warehouse. He's got heaters in case you run into any trouble.
Sure, Frank. No problem.
Good. Now bring the Canadian home safe, Tommy. There is already a case earmarked for the
Kanadische
Don.
Gold. Jetzt muss ich die über Schnaps schmuggeln oder so.
This motor's yours, if you want it, Tommy.
Thanks, Ralph.
Working late, Ralphie?
I sleep when Frank sleeps. Man, he's been working us hard.
Morello's taking bites out of business everywhere else, Ralph. Booze racket's where we shine. We gotta stay ahead someplace.
Ah, well, I just fixed the cars, Tom. I changed the plates again. You can't be too careful.
See you in the morning.
Okay.
Lost Heaven Radio now brings you a special weather report.
Der hat noch
The heavens
zupft.
are open, folks, and we're experiencing some adverse effects across the municipal area. A large storm front, not expected to arrive for several days, hit Lost Heaven late this afternoon, releasing a deluge of rainfall on the city.
Aber er ist ein saurer
If
Schiff,
you've been
Mann.
out in the last couple of hours, you don't need me to tell you.
Null bodenhaft.
There are
irgendwie.
reports coming in of a number of traffic
Schauen wir
accidents
das an.
attributed to the downpour, with fender benders occurring in Oakwood and Chinatown. A more serious accident
Little
is
Italy.
occurring near the White Harbor Hotel, which is causing traffic to back up on the East Marshall Bridge all the way into downtown. The police department is attending incidents as they can, but they've now issued advice that people should not venture out on the roads unless their journey is strictly necessary. The roads are treacherous, ladies and gentlemen, so
Genau, so
however a good
Poster sind es
driver
da
you may
gewesen.
be, it's
Ich weiß
just
nicht was
not
noch, aber
worth
irgendwie
the
so
risk to you or
Playboy-Heftchen oder
anyone
irgendetwas, oder?
else. It would seem the best thing to do on a night like this is to
159 Poster, ja la. Ja, eben. Also ich meine, ich könnte es ja immer noch machen, weißt du, so ist es ja nicht. Aber meine PS3, ich weiß nicht, wo die ist und ob die noch funktioniert. Oh my days!
All scheduled flights departing Lost Heaven International have been grounded, and those scheduled to arrive into that airport have been
Ist ein Unfall passiert?
elsewhere. Now, as bad as that may sound, the latest report from the weather service that I've just been handed states that although the rain is heavy at this moment, and that all warnings
Vor allem die PS3-Controller sind alle so hure versifft, man, die kannst schwer.
certainly it doesn't seem like it will be anything like the big one of 1927.
Müsste, glaube ich, den Gummi
High winds
wegnehmen.
are pushing the storm over us at quite a rate. We will, of course, keep you informed with news on
Aber
the
theoretisch habe ich ja noch jede Playstation. 1 bis 5.
Let me reiterate that the Lost Heaven Police Department
Es ist halt einfach auch scheiße, dass du nicht einfach kannst die Games da rein tun, weißt du? Wieso kann ich nicht einfach die CD nehmen und rein tun und gamen? Das ist so schade. Also ja, das ist natürlich extra.
That's all for now. Some music will be along shortly, and I'll be back to check in with you later. Thank you for listening.
Bitte.
Come on, Tom! Hey! Watch it, pal! Just dry it out.
Sorry. You know this place?
Yeah. We've done a few
Xbox
pickups at the
kostet
farm before. Don't worry. There ain't nothing but cow shit and shine out here. It's gonna be an easy few clams. Boys will load up the trucks, and we'll come straight back.
Yeah, let's make it quick. I got someplace to be.
You see it, Sarah, later. Luigi's little girl, your night shift. You're something else, pal. Protecting the girl's virginity one day and taking it the next.
Lay off, Polly.
Ah, come on. I'm just kidding. She's a good girl. You settle down, she'll straighten you right out. I'm going home to a couch. Now, I wonder what kind of stories she could tell about her old man, though. Luigi was a stone-cold killer back in the day.
I wouldn't know.
You know she's been helping out behind the bar since she was a kid. I bet she's seen and heard a few things. Probably knows more about our business than we do.
She knows enough not to ask me too many questions.
That's good. She won't ever make a liar out of you. Christ. You ought to marry her just for that. God damn it. Sam should be waiting here, but I don't see him.
Something smells off.
Don't let your pecker get all shriveled up. Probably just trying to get out of the rain. Or into the bootleg.
Oder auch nicht.
He ain't coming.
Okay,
Musst du Sammy.
let's go find them.
Hey, sorry. Das Game ist so geil, oder? Simpel.
That bastard.
Ist ein
It's just
fucking
3
Movie.
sheets, and a record of new suit for nothing. I swear I'm gonna kill him. Here. Just in case Frank was right. I'm gonna go grab them boys, get them sorted out. You go ahead, see what's what. We'll catch up with you.
Es geht ab. Jo. Ich feiere es auch.
Someone's been waiting here tonight. Guy we pay to keep this place in check don't even pretend to farm now.
Hey, was?
Guy shoots a dog.
Okay.
This don't feel right.
Sieht nicht gut aus hier. Ja. Das ist nicht das Background. Wollen wir nicht. Brauchen wir nicht. Ja, komm, hüpf. Ja, let's go. Ich muss aber sagen, dass 2 kein überragendes Remaster bekommen hat. Eben, ist es 2...
Place is derelict.
Ist es 2 das, wo du den Glatzkopf spielst? Irgendwann spielst du doch den Glatzkopf, das ist doch das 2, oder? Also ich habe das 2 eben ehrlich gesagt nicht so geil gefunden. Also, es war schon gut gewesen, aber ich finde das 1 100 Mal besser. Also so habe ich es irgendwie, den Vergleich in Erinnerung, ich weiss es aber auch nicht mehr so genau. Aber das da, das ist ein Meisterwerk.
Where the hell are you hiding?
Wir müssen alles angucken hier. Irgendeinen Sekreten. Glatzkopf. Irgendein bist du ein Glatzkopf. Das ist es im 3. Oder das DLC. Ja, Jimmy's Vendetta. Ja, genau. Ich glaube das, oder? Dort bist du ein Glatzkopf, oder nicht? Ich mag mich verdammt nicht mehr erinnern als 2. Ich mag mich eigentlich nur noch an das Glatzkopf erinnern. Guns. Okay. Genau. Ja, dann, und jetzt?
Hey, buddy.
Er ist am Arsch.
Jesus. Drop your weapon. You first. We don't have time for this. Sorry, pal. Guess we're doing this the hard way.
Okay, then.
Okay, dann. Wow.
Get over here! I got him pinned down!
Scheiße, Mann.
Get over here now!
Hilft mir irgendeiner, da bin ich alleine. Ich muss so spielen. Ich sehe fast nicht. Trotzdem ein Headshot. Ja, entspann dich. Ins Maul. Okay, war's das? Cheech.
Nothing about this feels right. This was a setup.
This was a setup. Glatzkopf ist vom DLC vom 2. Okay. Mal, ich habe den eben gespielt und ich habe das Einzige, was ich vom 2 in Erinnerung habe, ist eben das. Sonst habe ich vom 2 keine Ahnung mehr. Ohne Scheiß. Also ich... Ja. Wahrscheinlich spiele ich all durch. Jetzt halt wieder eine Trilogie beim Bounce. Soll ich? Ja, ich will den Job gar nicht haben.
Wow! It's me, Tom!
Paulie, what took you so long?
Looking for Sammy? Did you find him?
Nah, not yet. Just him.
Canadian crew. Dollars to donuts, the rest are face down in the dirt too.
Das 2 hat das super. Ich mag mich wirklich null erinnern. Gell? Null.
Oh Christ.
Das 3 habe ich eben gar nie gespielt.
You're cops, Tommy.
Oh.
Well, how would I know? They didn't show a badge. God, they didn't say anything.
They must be in Morello's
Ist ja nicht so,
pocket.
dass wir noch keine Cops abgeschossen haben jetzt.
This bastard. He can't even let us have this one racket. Forget about it, Tom. We gotta find Sam and get out of here.